What's up guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. Today is going to be a quick update on the Turbo Foxbody. We have everything mocked up and we are ready to attempt the very first startup of the car. So let's go ahead and check it out. So here we are, got the Mustang here. You can see the wiring is a disaster, but everything's just temporary. Let's see if the car starts up, runs, and then I'll pull it all back off, clean it up, make it look nice, using the factory fuse box, factory ECU. Long term, like to do the Holley Terminator X, but it's not in the budget right now. So 6.0 stock block, all new gaskets, interior pretty much gutted, metal dash, TCI Outlaw shifter. You can see the wires for now, temporary, just getting it ignition and push button start.
Alright, let's go race car.
Well,
We good. Hell yeah.
alright guys, so you can see the car does run now. We have a couple things we need to address. We have a fitting on the trans cooler line that's leaking, and we also have a leak on the brake line that's going into the line lock. So for that, I don't know if we have a bad flare, woo, or if we actually have a bad line lock. So once we get those couple things fixed, then we'll be able to actually move on, see if we can get the car to move under its own power. If we can get a radiator in, maybe we can take it for a trip around the block or something. So as always, if you guys like this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next upload.